trying to save money on auto insurance? Hey, I'm Kaleb, the founder of 10 Talents Financial Planning, and today we're talking about insurance. The commercials have all trained us. Save money on auto insurance. I mean, who doesn't want to save money? But I want to bring a different paradigm to the home, the auto, and umbrella insurance. Maybe you haven't heard of umbrella, you should. In addition to home and auto, you'll want to consider an umbrella policy. And I want to change the paradigm. When you're young, when you have no assets, when you're dirt broke, when you have nothing to your name, all you're worried about is saving money, right? On your auto insurance, you know, let's save money, cut costs. Like that's the number one way people think, typically when they're young. But as you grow in your career, as your investments grow, this paradigm shifts. Yes, we all want to make sure we're paying a competitive or lower price if we can, but the paradigm shifts. So the paradigm becomes less save me money, cut my costs, and it should become, do I have enough coverage so that if something happens, will this pay and will this protect me? If something dramatic, like a car accident, a house burning down, actually happens, is this going to pay? Is there a caveat that I don't know about? Is there some gotcha where my stuff, my home, my investments will be taken from me in a lawsuit or an at-fault accident? And so you see that as you progress in your career, your earnings, your investments, the insurance conversation becomes less about save money, cut the premium $100, and it becomes more, do I have robust coverage? Willing to pay for that if it's robust and will do its job of protection of assets and protection of liability. Think about it. If you rear end someone and that person finds out that you have assets, you own a home, maybe you own a rental property, guess what? Their attorneys are coming. They're coming for you. And when you're young, it's like, oh, who cares? I'm 22 years old. I got nothing. So yeah, go after everything I got because it's all $500 in my checking account. But you need to change, and it's a hard mindset. So you need to work with someone that can help you work through these mental frameworks, because typically the way you grew your investments and the way you grew in your career was being very frugal, being very strategic, being very aware of all your costs, but the mindset has to change. I love sharing the phrase, what got you here will not get you there. And that's a hard transition for many folks I work with, but it's a doable transition. Remember, what got you here will not get you there. If you keep that in mind, you'll be able to make these transitions on things like insurance, investments, taxes, legal documents for estate planning, etc. And you'll be able to make those transitions more easily if you remember, what got you here will not get you there. Thanks for watching today. I'm Kaleb, the founder of 10 Talents Financial Planning. Have a blessed rest of your day.